Hello everyone, this is Vandita. Welcome to my channel. Today's in this video I'm going to teach you this pattern. This is blanket pattern and you can see the beauty of this pattern. You can say this is a brick stitch also, and you can see the thickness of this blanket. This is very easy and very fast going, and you can make with this mufflers, pullovers, sweaters. Especially I'm making a blanket, a baby blanket with this pattern. So let's start our video. For this pattern I am taking this 4-ply wool in gray color, and with this I am using 5 number crochet, which is 3.0 mm. Okay, I am making just sample to teach you this pattern. Okay, we will start with a slip knot like this, or you can start like this also. Okay, first thing of this pattern, that is we have to make these foundation chains in even number, like 2, 6, 8, 10. We can't make odd numbers for this pattern. Okay, so I'm making 10 chains, 10 foundation chains for the pattern and one extra chain for the starting. So total I'm making 11 chains. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. And the second thing is very important, that you have to make this foundation chain with very loose hand. Not very loose hand, I mean not in tight hand on the normal hand. It's a little loose hand from the normal hand. Okay, so now this is our foundation chain. We will skip first chain, and now we will turn like this. From the back side we will start our pattern, not from the. We usually start our pattern in this in the chain like this, but in this pattern we will make from the back side. You can see the loop in the back side of this chain, this one. First of all we will skip first chain, and from the second chain we will start to make single crochet in the back side of the chain like this, and the second one like this, and the third one. I am making single crochet in every chain from the back side loop of the chain like this. So we should have 10 single crochets total. Okay, and this one is the 9th one, and the last 10th. Chain 1, and here my first round is completed. Now you can see the beauty of the starting chain like this. Turn over for the second round. We will make, in the first chain we will make one single crochet, and don't make a full single crochet. In the first loop we will make one chain like this, and again in the same chain make one chain more, 2, and now we will make 2 puffs in the same chain, 1 and 2, and we will lock them with the chain Okay, after one chain, skip one chain, and in the next chain we will repeat the same stitch. First chain, second chain in the same chain, and two puffs in the same chain, 1 and 2. And now and one chain, skip one chain, and in the next chain again one chain, second chain in the same chain, two puffs in the same chain, and loop them with chain. Skip one chain, again repeat the same stitch, one chain, two chains, two puffs, take yarn over the hook, one chain, skip one, and one chain, second chain, and two puffs, loop them with a and chain one, skip one, and the last chain, make our last stitch, chain one, chain two, and two loops, 1 and 2. Okay, here my second round is also completed. Here turn over, and now you will see a space of like V here. This space, one, the second space, we will make our next stitch in this space, and the last from here. Okay, the first stitch we will make from this space, the same stitch, one chain, second chain in the same space, two puffs in the same space, 1 and 2, and take over the yarn on the hook from the all loops and chain 1. Second will in this space, chain 1, chain 2, and puffs, chain 1. Again one chain, second chain, two puffs, chain 1. Chain 1, 2 chain, 2 puffs, chain 1. In the next space, chain 1. In the last chain, we'll make chain 1, chain 2, and 2 puffs, chain 1. Here my second round is also completed now. For the third one, again we are repeating this again and again in this space. First chain in the same space, second chain in the same space, 2 puffs in the same space and 1 chain. And again we will repeat this stitch again and again. You have to be very careful for the edges. The edges will come like zigzag. Let me show you. See the zigzag sides. The edges come very beautifully. You can see. So it will look like this. I hope you like this video, so please don't forget to give a like my video and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Keep watching.